how to make Google Meet full screen. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Meet full screen. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. On the home page. Click on New Meeting and then select Start an Instant Meeting. This will quickly launch your meeting window. Once your meeting starts, look at the bottom right corner of the screen for the three dots menu. This is also called More Options. Click on it and from the list that appears, select Full Screen. As soon as you do, your meeting will expand to cover your entire screen, allowing you to stay fully focused on the call. If you want to exit full screen, just press the S key on your keyboard or move your cursor to the top of the screen where you'll see the option to exit full screen mode. And that's it. By going to the three dots menu and selecting full screen, you can enjoy a distraction-free Google Meet experience, whether you're attending class, presenting at work, or just catching up with friends. That's all for the video.